Are you looking for the best mirror dashcam for cars? In this video, we want to the top 5 best mirror dashcam for cars on the market today. We'll consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Wdszkmyf Mirror Dashcam for Cars. Unparalleled clarity and comprehensive coverage. Upgrade your car's surveillance capabilities with the Wdszkmyf Mirror Dashcam, a cutting-edge 3-lens system designed to provide unparalleled clarity and comprehensive coverage for your vehicle. From 4K video recording to advanced night vision features, this mirror dashcam ensures that every moment on the road is captured with precision. 4K ultra-clear video recording. Experience the road like never before with the Wdszkmyf Mirror Dashcam's seamless 4K video recording. The ultra-clear resolution allows you to capture every detail, ensuring that license plates and road signs are crystal clear, providing essential evidence in case of any incidents. 3 channels for complete coverage. This dashcam doesn't miss a beat with its 3-channel system. The front camera records in stunning 4K, while the rear and inside cameras provide clear 1080p footage. Choose from various recording modes to suit your preferences. Newly upgraded GPS module. Enhance your trip safety with the newly upgraded GPS module. Connect the dashcam to an external GPS to track your real-time position, adding an extra layer of security to your journeys. Super night vision. Don't let low light conditions hinder your dashcam's performance. The built-in night vision processing function ensures that you can record high-quality videos even in challenging low-light environments. Enjoy peace of mind during nighttime drives. 2.5D glass panel for a sleek look. The Wdszkmyf Mirror Dashcam doesn't just deliver superior performance, it also enhances the aesthetic of your vehicle with its 2.5D glass panel. Enjoy a clear and boundary-free display that seamlessly integrates into your car's interior. Conclusion. The Wdszkmyf Mirror Dashcam stands out as a versatile and advanced car accessory, combining top-tier video recording capabilities, comprehensive coverage, and essential features like GPS tracking and night vision. Elevate your driving experience with this state-of-the-art mirror dashcam, providing you with unmatched clarity and peace of mind on the road. Number 4. Etymoofox Mirror Dashcam for Cars. Unleash the power of streaming media and precision recording. Experience the future of in-car surveillance with the Etymoofox Mirror Dashcam, a revolutionary streaming media DVR mirror that redefines your driving safety. From its expansive 10-inch touchscreen to the innovative split-screen design, this dashcam enhances your awareness on the road while providing the convenience of seamless operation. Streaming media rear-view mirror. Etymoofox takes a bold step by replacing the traditional rear-view mirror with a full-screen streaming media display. Witness real-time rear images through the camera, offering a dynamic and comprehensive view of your surroundings. Split-screen design. Navigate effortlessly between front and rear view recordings with the intuitive split-screen design. The large 10-inch touchscreen allows for easy switching, ensuring you can check your rear view without missing a beat. Touch controls enable quick transitions between front and rear cameras. 10-inch touch superscreen display. The 10-inch touchscreen takes center stage, providing a user-friendly interface for seamless operation. Enhance your driving experience with fast and convenient access to the car camera functions, promoting safety and ease of use. 2.5D curved surface screen. Etymoofox understands the importance of durability and aesthetics. The 2.5D curved glass design not only adds a touch of sophistication but also offers scratch resistance, anti-glare, and anti-fingerprint features, ensuring a clear view in all conditions. 6-glass HD lens. Enjoy the flexibility of the front camera with a 2 cm longer adjustable design, catering to your preferred viewing angles. The 6-glass HD lens captures vivid details and employs active exposure adjustment for clearer images, even in challenging lighting conditions. Full HD 1080p video quality. Etymoofox prioritizes image quality with Full HD 1080p video recording. The dashcam ensures higher resolution, making it easier to identify critical details such as license plates, driver actions, and road features, essential evidence that may prove your innocence in unforeseen situations. Conclusion. The Etymoofox Mirror Dashcam combines cutting-edge technology, a user-friendly interface, and superior recording capabilities to elevate your driving experience. Embrace the future of in-car surveillance with streaming media, split-screen convenience, and precision recording, ensuring you drive with confidence and safety at the forefront. Number 3. Kocam Mirror Dashcam for cars. Complete protection and crystal clear recording. Experience uncompromised safety and precision recording with the Kocam Mirror Dashcam. Boasting full HD 1080p clarity for the front, interior, and rear cameras, this advanced dashcam ensures you capture every detail on the road. With a 3-lens guarantee and innovative features like super night vision and 24-hour parking monitoring, Kocam sets a new standard in in-car surveillance. Full HD 1080p front, interior, and rear camera. Enjoy crystal clear image quality with full HD 1080p resolution across all cameras. The Kocam Mirror Dashcam provides a comprehensive view of your surroundings, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed. Record front and inside and rear at the same time. The 3-lens setup guarantees strong evidence for any driving scenario. Capture incidents from multiple perspectives simultaneously, enhancing the accuracy and reliability of your recordings. Full HD 1080p rear camera parking assist line. The rear camera, equipped with parking assist line functionality, delivers full HD 1080p resolution. This feature ensures enhanced precision during parking maneuvers, offering additional assistance for a stress-free experience. Super night vision and IP68 waterproofing. Say goodbye to foggy mirrors and poor rear views on rainy days. The Kocam Mirror Dashcam features a Sony IMX307 sensor, providing super night vision capabilities and IP68 waterproofing. Enjoy clear visibility in challenging conditions. Loop recording. Optimize your storage with loop recording. When activated, the Kocam Dashcam overwrites the oldest video on the memory card with newly recorded footage. Critical videos, triggered by features like the G-sensor or parking monitoring, are preserved and not overwritten. 24-hour parking monitoring. Gain peace of mind with 24-hour parking monitoring. By connecting the DVR to the car's power source using the buck line, the Kocam Dashcam remains operational even when parked. If the G-sensor detects an impact, the dashcam activates, recording the incident and providing valuable evidence. Conclusion. The Kocam Mirror Dashcam combines advanced features, including full HD recording on all lenses, super night vision, and 24-hour parking monitoring. Elevate your driving experience with complete protection and unparalleled clarity, ensuring you navigate the road with confidence and security. Number 2. Obdpeak Mirror Dashcam for cars. Cutting-edge dual-channel clarity and night vision. Experience the pinnacle of in-car surveillance with the Obdpeak Mirror Dashcam 6, featuring dual-channel recording, outstanding image quality, and an impressive 12-inch large screen. Boasting 4K UHD resolution, exceptional night vision, and convenient in-app functionality, the H6 sets a new standard in dashcam technology. Dual-channel with outstanding image quality. The Obdpeak H6 employs a dual-channel setup with 7 layers of high-quality glass lenses, and f/.8 aperture, and the Sony IMX415 sensor. This combination processes frames to deliver images with unparalleled clarity and vividness. The 12-inch large screen provides real-time viewing of ultra-high-definition giant screen images. Super night vision. Utilizing strong light suppression and AHD technology, the Obdpeak Mirror Dashcam excels in providing clear and soft images for drivers at night. Whether navigating in the dark or during daylight hours, the dashcam captures more details for enhanced safety. UHD 4K, stunning details. The front camera, equipped with the Sony Starvis IMX415, captures native 4K UHD footage that reveals stunning details. License plates in the distance, often unreadable in lower resolutions, are crisp and clear in 4K video, ensuring vital information is captured accurately. In-app video download and real-time viewing. The Obdpeak app supports both iOS and Android systems, offering real-time viewing and video downloads through the dashcam's Wi-Fi. This feature allows for convenient playback and sharing of HD videos. Emergency videos are locked in the event file, preventing accidental overwrites. Conclusion: Obdpeak raises the bar with the Mirror Dashcam 6, delivering dual-channel recording, exceptional image quality, and cutting-edge features. From its 4K UHD resolution to the advanced night vision capabilities, the H6 ensures that every detail on the road is captured with precision. Enjoy the convenience of an app functionality and the assurance of a top-tier dashcam for your driving experience. Number 1. Azdome Mirror Dashcam for Cars. Cutting-edge safety and clarity. Introducing the Azdome Mirror Dashcam, a state-of-the-art addition to your vehicle's safety arsenal. This advanced device boasts a 2K high-quality dual-lens system, a full touchscreen, enhanced super night vision, and intelligent features like parking assistance mode, G-sensors, and loop recording for a comprehensive driving experience. Enhanced super night vision. Equipped with G-sensors featuring an f/1.8 aperture, the dashcam excels in capturing dual 1080p high-definition footage even in low-light conditions. Filtering over exposure from headlights, it ensures a sharp and crisp image, enhancing nighttime driving safety. Parking assistance mode. The parking assistance function transforms your dashcam into a surveillance system while your vehicle is off. Automatically switching to the rear image when reversing, this feature simplifies parking and provides added convenience. G-sensors and loop recording. G-sensors automatically lock and store videos in the event of sudden impact or collision, preserving crucial evidence. Loop recording efficiently manages memory, overwriting the earliest saved video when space is limited but retaining emergency locked footage for comprehensive coverage. Conclusion: the Azdome Mirror Dashcam combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to elevate your driving experience. From its 2K dual-lens system and full touchscreen to enhanced night vision and intelligent functions like parking assistance, G-sensors, and loop recording, this dashcam ensures safety, clarity, and peace of mind on every journey. Upgrade your vehicle with the Azdome Mirror Dashcam for a smarter and safer drive.